Have you ever wondered why our eyes automatically shut when we sneeze? Like, what's the connection there? So first, let's understand why we even sneeze in the first place. Whenever something like dust, perfume, or any irritating particle enters our nose and starts doing a full-on breakdance in there, it causes irritation. This sends a signal to the brain, and the brain's like, bro, these particles can be harmful to the body. Get them out. ASAP. That's when we sneeze. It's the body's quick way of throwing those nasty particles out. You know, one sneeze is fine, but sometimes it just doesn't stop. It's like a sneeze attack. Now, the reason our eyes close while sneezing is because those particles we're expelling could end up flying into our eyes. And nobody wants that, so it's like a natural reflex. The body's way of saying, hey, protect the eyes while we blow stuff out of the nose with full pressure. Because yeah, a sneeze doesn't just exit gently. It shoots out with enough force to hit someone in the face if they are too close.